Hello everyone, my name is Shrestha Gupta and today I am going to deliver a speech on Bharat versus Pakistan. No, Bharat versus India. Yes, you all listened right, Bharat versus India. On 5th September, we all came to know that Modi Sarkar will change the name of our country, India to Bharat. After spreading this news, many people started giving their own opinion. Some people say that India name is best, and some people say that Bharat name is best for our country. And many politicians say that India word is an abuse and it is very dangerous that is given by British to our country. And many politicians say that no, these all are rumors and the name of our country will not be changed. So, why did this controversy start and what is the real name of our country? So, in Hindi constitution, this is written that Bharat, that means India is our country, and in English constitution, this is written that India, that means Bharat is our country. And the leaders who fought for our country uses two names, Bharat and India. Bharat word was used when the name of our country was written in Hindi or Devanagari script, and India name was used when the name of our country was written in English. And we use two names because BHARAT, Bharat. The people who don't know the right pronunciation of it, they read it Bharat. And many kinds of people read it in many ways. So, therefore, they used India word. And today's politicians play the game with the name of our country. I think they are trying to make people fight with each other. And before people people fight for the religion Hindu, Muslim and all these, and now people will fight for the name of our country. And if the politicians face many problems with the name, with the India, the English name, as they think this was given by Britishers, then the famous game cricket should not be played in our country, because this game was also introduced by Britishers. And the English language it should not be taught in many international schools, because this language is a foreign language and this was also introduced by Britishers. And why do all politicians wear coat pants? They should wear dhoti kurta always. And because coat pants, these clothes was also introduced by Britishers. Today's politicians started defaming the name of our country, name of their own country, because opposition as alliance use the word India for their name. I think these politicians can do anything just for politics. And India name was not given by Britishers. There is a history behind it. There is a river named Indus River. And the India word was derived from Indus River. And in my opinion, India, Bharat, Hindustan, these are the name of our country, and we should respect all the name of our country. Thank you for listening me.